Not sure how long this little moment's gonna last here, but one of our chickens who's been caged in, kept away from the rest because she was previously low on the pecking order, getting a little bit of damage, and one of our older chickens as well here has managed to fly up on top of a fence here and is kind of lording over it all. I don't know. There's Goldie on the ground, but this one's name is Brownie, and she's up there, and she's just like looking around like, hey, look at me, I'm queen of this fence, look at this. I don't know. I feel like that's hilarious, and also, to another degree, I mean, it's kind of a sign of what a mite, you can accomplish if you want to get out of your circumstances where you're stuck in. I mean, these chickens are supposed to be flightless kind of birds after all, not supposed to be able to do this, but she gives it a shot a number of times, goes for the lowest end. I believe she used like the rain barrel down there, gives it her best with her wings, the right amount of adrenaline or something, and there she is on top of the world. I didn't see the whole event, but I saw her kind of just end up here and just kind of lording it over it all and just like, hey, I'm queen of this, fence, queen of this yard. Doing a cat kind of thing, looking down on us. But yeah, I don't know. I would just take that as a sign of what the mind can accomplish here when it's put to the right use. Can overcome anything. Learned helplessness be damned, I suppose. Anyway, yeah.